Canon is currently on a roll, releasing new cameras every other month. And behind the scenes, they're working on several new technologies too. We've got our hands on many new patent applications, and from those, cinema camera related patents were the most exciting. In today's video, we're going to discuss some of these patents and try to understand what cameras we may get to see next. From the latest patent file, we can see that Canon is trying to invent a new mechanism for the cinema camera. Canon stated that there is an imaging apparatus where lenses can be added or removed from a mount on the front of the camera. These types of cameras can also come with interchangeable lenses that are situated very close to the camera's image sensor. One example of this is the mirrorless camera, which does not have a mirror to reflect the light from the lens to the viewfinder. Certain types of interchangeable lens imaging devices have tripods or seats on multiple sides of the camera body, which allow for shooting in vertical or upside down positions. Patent document 1 includes a camera with a mounting surface and a tripod mount on the top surface, or the option to shoot with the camera fixed upside down on a gimbal. According to the document, the lens mount sticks out from the front side of the camera body, and as a result, if the camera is positioned with the mounting surface facing downwards while the lens is detached from the camera body, it could be harmed or damaged. Also, if a large lens device is affixed to the camera body, the entire camera's center of gravity shifts forward beyond its tipping point. This raises the possibility of the camera toppling forward. This is particularly significant when using a smaller and lighter camera body like one with a mirrorless mount. So the goal of this current patent or invention is to offer an image capturing device that safeguards the mount of the capturing device during lens detachments. If you remember, this isn't the first patent from Canon about a cinema camera. Last year, Canon submitted a patent application proposing a revolutionary solution for arranging multiple cables in a professional camera. This innovation aims to prevent cables from getting stuck and connectors from becoming detached, which is a common problem in modern cinema cameras due to the increase in the number of connectors. Rearranging all the connectors on the back of the camera body and disposing of them on the side of the body is difficult or almost impossible. Canon claimed that the latest invention enables cables to be prevented from getting caught or disconnected without compromising the insertion and extraction capability of the cable while reducing the thickness of the main body. If things go according to plan, we can potentially see these new patents integrated into the Canon EOS C700 Mark II. It'll be equipped with interchangeable sensors, providing users with the option of choosing between a Super 35 5K global shutter sensor or a full-frame 8K DG or rolling shutter sensor. If you're unfamiliar with these technical terms, a global shutter can capture the entire sensor at once, while a rolling shutter captures the sensor line by line, resulting in additional visual artifacts. The C700 Mark II will come with a direct RF mount for both sensors, allowing for easy mounting of EF or LPL lenses without removing the RF mount. This type of mounting has been seen previously in the Sony Venice 2 camera. For the past 20 months, Canon has delayed and reworked several products, and it has been a couple of years since we saw a flagship cinema camera from Canon. Considering all these factors, it's highly likely that the new cinema camera will be unveiled soon. And one of them can potentially be a box-shaped cinema camera. In 2020, Canon announced the ML100EF and 105EF, both of which are box-shaped multifunctional cameras. These cameras are modular and use the next generation 19UM 35mm full-frame CMOS sensor that's designed to capture images in a very low light condition. So patenting new modular system technology indicates successors of these two. In terms of manufacturing, Canon is light years ahead of other brands, and the recent patents clearly indicate that 2023 will be the best year for Canon fans. From entry-level full-frame hybrid cameras to top-tier cinema cameras, it'll be compelling to see what Canon brings next. So, are you excited about Canon's new cinema cameras? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below.